doing here is taking off the front bumper. There's 2 bolts right here, 1 and 2. They're T25s. Right here, T25. Just get yourself an impact gun. Take off the front headlights. 1 screw right here, 1 screw right here. Should pop off if you move the bumper. If you move this bumper out, it should pop out. And disconnect it carefully. These 2 headlights. After that, you'll have 2 screws right here, 1, 2, and 3, and that should come out. And after that, you would find yourself 3 size 10. Get yourself a size 10. Let me get both off. Get back to you guys. Oh, there's 1 off. Alright, so the very last one is really hard to get. If you can manage your impact, you will slightly be able to take it out as you see. Focus. Yeah, let me take it out, be back with you guys. Do is disconnect your corner lights. Disconnect from here. Should come off. And you should disconnect your fog lights. Should pop off from right here. Come off easily. Like that. And a bumper should come off. If you see, it's already came off from this side. Okay, and let me do the other side. Be back with you guys. So on this side is a little bit harder to get your impact gun because of this is in the way. But other than that, your bumper should just come off right off. Oh shit. There you go. And that, guys. Alrighty, so the bumper is off, and now time to take off my intercooler. Let's see under that baby. Alrighty, for the 2 bolts on each side for the intercooler, it's size 13. If you see, there you go. I should come right off. And let me do the other side and I'll get back to you. Now that I have this side off, your hot side will be underneath. Normally you have way down there. You can barely see. It's holding your hot side pipe underneath right here. It should be 5/16 bit. 5/16. This should do the job. Let me do that and get back to you guys. Ready? No, I'm seeing I have oil on my cold side, so the cold side's a lot easier than the hot side to get underneath, and then unscrew that. After that's loosened up, it should come right off. Okay, nope, let me get back to you. There you are, boys. Look at that. This looks gross. Wonder if any oil comes out. Nope. Well, I'm gonna clean that up. Clean that up as well. So I got my intercooler back on. As soon as you guys are gonna get these bolts back on, make sure you guys don't get tangled with the wires on that side, and be careful right here as well when you're putting back your bolt back on there. I cleaned my cold side piping, as you can see, and I cleaned my hot side as well. Got that managed. Little cricket, but does the job. Make sure you guys plug in everything back good, so you guys don't have any boost leaks. I got installed cold side. Look nice and clean. Make sure your guys' screws are back in. Make sure that lines up. Let's check the other side. Get those in there. And that's correct. Make sure this stays inside, so when you put the screw in there from here, it doesn't pop out. It doesn't wiggle as much. So keep an eye on that. Bumpers there. There's my intercooler. Alrighty, don't forget your side marker. Connect that. Your fog light. Let's check the other side. Got that. And I'm missing my fog light. Damn it, I'll get back to you. Alrighty, got it all set. And now time to put in the headlight. So now we got two bolts, long bolts. 1, 2, and 2. Now tighten it with the 5/16. Whoops, too much power. There we go. This around it, just to make sure alignment's right. I mean, my headlights aren't that bad. It's pretty broken, it's pretty bad. And around it, we're good. Now I got the 3 screws in from the front bumper. 1, 2, and 3. Again, size 15. 5/16. She's tight. There we go. Don't forget, these is a T225. There's one right here, one up here, and 2 on the other side. Let's walk around. 1, 2, all 4 all set. Okay, now we're gonna try our See if anything is unusual. Let's go see. There she is. All done. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video there. I gotta go pick up my wife. And yep, see you guys on the next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace.